Here at Uxmal, this is the Pyramid of the Magician, or the Moon. There you see the Sacred Feminine University where we did our meditation. And up here is the Temple of the Turtles, where you can see all the way around carvings of different turtles throughout time. Back there is the Great Pyramid, and this is the Temple of the Sun, which is the masculine temple. All of the Mayan sites had the balance of the masculine and feminine. Down there is the ball court. They had very long representations of Kukulkan, the serpent.